I'm going to show you how to fix a Hisense TV model 55H8F that won't turn on. I do have my standby light, but it won't power on. My first step is to remove the back cover. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Nick. I started Nick's Electronics Repair over a decade ago, and since then we have fixed over 26,000 devices. Now when it comes to this failure for Hisense TVs, it is almost always going to be caused by a software failure on the main board. Now before we remove the main board, I first want to rule out the power supply. To do that, I'm going to use my multimeter in DC mode. I'm going to put my black lead on the chassis for ground, and going to be doing my voltage measurement on the mainboard side. According to the legend, I should get 12 volt on the bottom 2 pins, standby on the third from the bottom, and I expect 16 on the V-amp lines, which are the third and fourth pins from the top. Now, because all of those lines do have power, I'm confident in ruling out the power supply as the cause of the fault, and I'm confident that the main board is the cause of the issue. So next, let's remove the main board so we can take a closer look at it. If you need to send in your main board for us to fix, we offer flat rate repair services on our website, which come with a 1-year warranty. The memory chip that holds the software for this TV is called an eMMC chip. That eMMC chip is located underneath this heatsink. So first, let's remove it. We have 2 clips on the back. Using needle nose pliers, I'm going to pinch them and push them through. Okay, now we have access to our eMMC chip. Because these chips don't have any pins, they actually sit on a ball grid array, which just means that there's a lot of little solder balls connecting the board to the chip. In order to remove this chip, we will have to use our rework machine. The rework machine is going to simultaneously heat up the chip from the top and the circuit board from the bottom gradually until we reach the solder ball's melting point. Only then will we be able to remove the chip from the board. This process takes about 6 minutes, so we will reconvene once the machine has reached its final segment. Now that we've removed the chip, we can test it and identify if it has a hardware failure. If it does, then we will have to replace it. If it does not, then it would mean the fault is due to a software corruption. In either case, we still prefer to replace the chip with a new one and new factory default software. We've now just finished programming a new eMMC chip and we'll install it on our board. All repairs have been completed. I've retested the heatsink. We're ready to live test. All right, let's find out if we fixed it. Hey, and it looks like we got it. If you have one of these boards you'd like to send in for us to fix, we do offer flat rate services, which come with a 1-year warranty. Those are available on our website, which will be linked in the description down below. Otherwise, if you found the video helpful or useful, leave us a like, subscribe for more content, and thank you for watching.